Hi, this is Yuning Liu. I am GIS engineer at DeepWalk. In this video, I will show you how to create a hazard removal program using the DeepWalk's web app. So basically, the hazard removal program is a work order that you can pick the trip hazard you found, the location you found, and manage the points that you are interested in fixing it and in need of remediation. You can utilize our implement tool on our web app. So when you go to our web app, you can see there's a implement section. You can get started to create a hazard removal program. So once you have all the manual tag, for example, the hazard, trip hazard, maybe other customized tags as well collected in your project, you can start to create a program. First, select the type of the program. Now we have the hazard removal program and the obstruction removal program. You can choose one. And then to create a program, you have to select the hazard or any manual tag you are interested in. For example, there is a way to draw the interested area and filter by the manual tag types. So for example, in this project, I would be interested in the trip hazard types. I can review the first person view, named it like the trip hazard grinding in March 2025. We can start to review every single trip hazard that have been collected. So for example, I accept this one. It's going to be fixed in March 2025. Yes, and yes. You can accept or reject it. And then you can save the program. So while it is saved, it will be navigate to the program section here. So you can see all the saved program. You can see an overview of this program, which contains, in this case, 4 passers. You can export to the CSV or GeoJSON. So if you open you can see a list of the features with some useful attributes like the address, the coordinate, GPS coordinate, and the scan ID, the lat long, maybe the severity, and the feature type. One thing to create a program based on the shape, you can, if you have some predefined polygon or the area you have been using in the homepage, for example, in this case, I have drawn a polygon representing the east memory length. I can create the hazard removal based on that area as well. So for example, I can manually draw, or I can import the saved region that I saved in our homepage so that you can see all the data points falling into this area will be also selected and ready for review. It's really useful for the work order creation by using the DeepWalk app. If you have any question about the implementation tool or anything else, please feel free to reach out, and we are happy to help. Enjoy!